filled with fuel. That's just to carry all the fuel. And basically, once one section or stage runs out of fuel, they jettison that stage so that it's a lot lighter, and then you have this much fuel to carry it, a little bit further. They jettison that, and finally you have that one last stage that carries you close to the moon. Does that make sense? So that's the purpose of the stages in a rocket.
As they fell off, where did they fall back on?
So some of them do, and some of them just burn up in the atmosphere. If you come all the way down here,
I wonder if
this entire rocket, 363 feet, like I said, is used mostly just for fuel to carry this part to the moon. Right here we have your Lunar Excursion Module. That's the part that actually landed on the moon. And the astronauts sit in this capsule right here. There you can see there's 3 of them. There's an actual capsule down here that we'll go look at in a second. But basically what happens is, when you get close to the moon, this part will detach. It spins around. They rendezvous and then they dock with this part right here. Then the astronauts can go from their capsule door and to the Lunar Excursion Module. 2 astronauts, of course, will go into the Lunar Excursion Module, and then one stays up in the capsule and kind of pods it around, orbits around the moon until they're ready to come back up. And that's basically how the whole moon landing thing went. There's a diagram that lights up over here that gives you a little bit more detail, so when you have some free time, like that 20 minutes of free time you have, you can stop and take a look at that. We're going to come all the way down here and take a look at this Lunar Excursion Module. And this is actually where we're going to take our picture in a few days.